baby.
A baby elephant? What else was in your box from Nana and Pop Pop? What was in there?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Ooh, show Mommy what else was in there.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Were there balloons in there?
No.
No? You emptied them out already?
Chocolate.
You want me to open it?
Yes.
What do you say?
Please.
Okay, can you say thank you to... Hey, don't. Can you say thank you to Nana and Pop Pop for your Easter box?
Yes.
Say thanks.
Please.
Say love you.
Yes.
An emergency response plan, okay? How do you ever put it back?
Is it good?
Take that as a now.
What is it?
Chocolate.
What? Chicken?
My.
Marshmallow?
Yes.
One on the left. What's she in for?
Wow, that looks pretty good.
Robbery, kidnapping, and murder. What about the one next to her? Sharon Phillips. Killed her boyfriend. Claims he put her in the hospital a few times. She thought herself dead. Judge followed her. Sandy Williams killed her 80-year-old neighbor for meth. Tail of the car. We sort of talked. What's the situation?
You want more?
I can only deal directly with my mom.
Turner?
We're watching this right now.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Guards.
Okay, let's see.
This corner.
Let me get one more off there. That's your third one. Are they good?
One guard, Hayden Trimble. But he wasn't killed in the riot. Looks like it's his death.
What are they?
Another guard injured.
Money.
Marshmallows?
Trimble was stabbed. Guards tried to restore order. Inmates responded. Why did they walk?
Some good stuff. I think that's going to be your last one for a while. That's 3.
Amnesty for injuries to the other guards. They are going to hand over Trimble's.
They're peeps.
Once we find out who did it,
Peeps.
that's where we come in. They want it. They need everyone's cooperation and trust.
Mama.
What is it? What's on it?
It's no harder.
Mine.
What?
Bunny.
A bunny?
Yes.
Did you open it and read it?
Oh.
Have to frisk you. It's cool. No.
Did you read the inside of your card?
Oh. Yes.
You did? I don't think you did.